Welcome to Helen Chemistry channel. In this session, we are going to discuss the preparation of some important addition polymer. So, polyethylene. There are two types of polyethylene, that is HDPE, LDPE. HDPE means high density polyethylene, LDPE low density polyethylene. This is the ethene molecule. When on heating, we are getting polyethylene. Okay. What is the polymer? Combination of two or more molecules of monomer produces polyethylene. Okay, here n represents the any number of monomers, maybe 2 or 3 monomers. Okay, then HDPE, polymerization of ethylene is carried out at 373 Kelvin and 6 to 7 atmosphere using Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Next, Teflon, tetrafluoroethane. When on heating, it gives Teflon. It is used for coating articles and preparing non-stick utensils. Then preparation of Orlan or polyacrylonitrile pan, prepared by addition polymerization of vinyl cyanide using peroxide initiator. So proptene nitrile peroxide initiator on heating, we are getting the pan structure polyacrylonitrile. This double bond rules, we are getting single bond. It may be used CH to CN N molecule. Okay, CH to CN. It comes again and again, that is called pan. Then condensation polymerization. Condensation polymers formed by the reaction between functional group and adjacent monomers with elimination of simple molecules like H2O and H3. Okay, see the preparation of nylon 6,6. Hexane 1,6 dioic acid and hexane 1,6 diamine. Okay, here this H moves here forms NH3 plus, this H moves here form NH3 plus. So this is the nylon salt. We are getting NH3 plus, CH2 6, CH3 plus. So here we are getting O minus, C double bond O, CH2 CO. Then here removal of water takes place. From this 2 hydrogen and 1 O. So remaining balance NH. So the structure will be CH2 and here also removal of 1 H2, 1 oxygen. So remaining balance NH. So see the structure, C double bond O, CH2 4 times, C double bond O, NH, removal of 2 hydrogen. So remaining balance NH, CH2 6 NH. So again add the hexane 1,2 dioxide here, C double bond O, CH2 4, C double bond O. Again add nylon salt, NH, CH2 6 NH. So it is a continuous one. Okay, this is the structure of nylon 666. Next, nylon 6. Okay, at 5533 Kelvin. Okay, on hydrolysis, OH H2O splits into OH and HN. So H added to this NH, OH is added to this. So how many carbons here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are writing like this, NH2, CH2 5 times, COOH. Removal of water, this side OH, this side 1H. So remaining balance NH, CH2 5, C double bond O, N times. This is the structure of nylon 6,6. Okay. Next, Decron. Ethane 1,2 diol, benzene 1,4 carboxylic acid or terephthalic acid. Here removal of water takes place. From this H, from this OH, OH plus H2O, then OH, H2O. Here H2O removal, then H, OH removal. So remaining balance CH2O, 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 CH2O. So CH2O, CH2O, then CO, the structure CO, N times. This is terylene and Decron. Then Paclite. Phenol react with the formaldehyde, it forms para and ortho products. So we are taking the ortho product. Okay. So here removal of water takes place. OH. So OH, CH2, OH, CH2. Is a Novalac. Then addition of again another formaldehyde. You have to write the structure like this. Just remove this. Write the structure twice. OH, CH2, OH, CH2, OH, CH2. Remaining bonds are they like that. You have to write OH, CH2, OH. In the center you have to add CH2. If you are okay, this is structure of bakelite. Okay, just remove the OH. Remaining balance OH, CH2 and addition of another monomer OH, CH2. So like that you have to write the monomer structure. Sorry, polymer structure. OH, CH2, OH, CH2, OH, CH2. Like that again. OH to CH2, OH, CH2, OH, CH2. At the center CH2. Okay. So this is the structure of bakelite. Then melamine. Melamine plus formaldehyde condensation. You can write formaldehyde like this, CH2O. One hydrogen moves here. So we are getting structure like this, NH CH2OH. Then removal of water takes place. Here from H, here from OH, we are getting structure like this. Okay. NH CH2. Okay. NH. So another CH2, another CH2 from N. Melamine formaldehyde polymer. Then urea formaldehyde polymer. You can write formaldehyde CH2O like this. Urea, removal of here one H is moves here, so we are getting OH, CH2OH, CH2OH, NHC, NH2C double bond O. See this, CH2OH, then NH, C double bond O, NH2. Then addition of another monomer, written like this, CH2OH, NHC double bond O. Like that, NH, CH2OH. So we are getting structure like this for urea formaldehyde polymer. Then Buna S, NCH2, buta 1,3 diene vinyl benzene. Okay. So we are getting structure like this. CH2, single bond CH, double bond CH, CH2, then CH single bond N, SBr, Buna N. Then nylon 2,6 glycine aminopicric acid. Then removal of H2O. Here from 1H, here from 1OH. So remaining balance NH, CH2, C double bond O, NH, CH25, C double bond O. Okay. Next, free radical polymerization. First initiation. Okay. First initiation, formation of free radical benzoyl peroxide. Here the sharing of bond. This oxygen takes 1 electron, this oxygen takes 1 electron. So it forms benzyl free radical. 2 molecules of benzyl free radical. So here this free radical moves here. This bond 1 moves here. 1 electron moves here, 1 electron moves here. It forms 2 CO2 plus 2 molecules of phenyl free radical. Okay. Then propagation step. This phenyl free radical, they react with this compound. We are getting, so this free radical moves here. This bond 1 electron moves here. 1 electron, we are getting structure like this. So structure CHHC 6H5H. Then again addition of another monomer. We have to write this is the C6H5 CH C6H5 dot. Another this radical moves here. One of the electron moves here, another moves here. Then we are structure like this: C6H5 CH2 C6H5 CH, then CH2 CH dot C6H5. So this is the continuous one. So we have to write this CH2 C6 CH5 n times. So addition of this monomer, we are getting the structure. Then termination. 2 molecules of CH2 CH5 n times. Then CH2 CH5 n times. The combination of, you have to write 2 times. So we are getting the structure.